Alright, well, back at it again. And today we're actually going to finally put on the intake manifold. Hopefully. And the gasket. Oh shit, yeah. So, no more videos on the Volkswagen. We now don't have that. So, yeah. Now it's a 2021 Elantra. I don't have new studs and bolts for this one, unfortunately. Wish I did. Oh, there's my 10. Alright, gasket time. Maybe. Alright. If you've been watching long enough, you've probably been waiting on this here video. I finally actually get it closer together. To do a fucking box clean out in this place. It's so bad. Amount of clutter in here. I'm gonna go back and fix that. Alright, that is all in. I will be back after I figure out how to get everything else off to get to the fuel run back up here. Okay, so I forgot to hit record afterwards, and may have forgot to record everything that I did. So you just missed a whole lot of nothing really. I just got the fuel. I'm not even sure exactly how this is supposed to go. It goes up here, like this, onto these. I think this makes more sense. And oh yeah, I forgot to say, new injectors. These are 1000 cc's. I don't know what that means. I think I'm just going to use the sheer power of putting this on. That should help put it into where it needs to go. I hope. Oops. There shouldn't be anything in the way. Fun. Yeah. It's almost back together. Actually, I might be able to get the ratchet in there this way. Damn wiring harness. God damn, I'm so hungry. I think all I gotta do is put you back to over there. One of these hoses was useful for something. I think there was just 2 rubber hoses I gotta hook up. Still a lot longer than it needs to be. A lot too much. Hold on. Oops, don't break the zip tie. Well, that's all I can do for now until I get some thicker hose. I don't remember what size I need, but I'm gonna need some thicker hoses. Unfortunately. Then I can get this all back up and going again. Hopefully. I gotta remember what these go to. Figure it out. I think one's actually supposed to be the PCV or something. I don't know. I'll figure it all out. Oh, I don't think I tightened this one down all the way, actually. I know I should have brought the smaller 10. No. I don't need that smaller 10. What could I possibly need that for? I'll have to tighten you up a different day then. Oh shit, you fell over. But yeah. There we go. Intake manifold's in. Fuel is connected again. New injectors are in. My battery's at 15%. Thank you very much. And the fuel pressure regulator's in. Now the whatever the fuck you are, that thing, you can be put together soon. Throttle body's gotta go in next. I gotta get the new coolant hoses, and I gotta put in the brake line still. And once I get everything back together, we get this up and running again, we should be golden. Hopefully. But that's it for now. Till the next one. Oh, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, whatever. Do that shit. Or don't do that shit. That's up to you. I can't force you to do anything. Beep.